Bonjour, bienvenue. Le passé composé, simple past tense or present perfect tense. One of the inevitable parts of passé composé is past participle, that is participe passé. Therefore, it's essential to know the making of past participle in French language. In English, some past participles are made like to play, played, to give, given, to speak, spoken, to do, done, to sing, sung. These past participles have a vital role in the making of passé composé in French language. So let's learn first the framing of past participles, then we'll proceed to the construction of passé composé. Passé composé is simple past tense or present perfect tense. Making of participe passé, that is past participle. First, let's deal with regular ER group of verbs. To speak. To speak is parler. We make to speak into spoken. In French, parler. P-A-R-L-E-R. Take out the last or. Remove the last or and add acute accent over the last E. It becomes the past participle. To speak will become spoken. P-A-R-L-E-R becomes P-A-R-L-E acute accent. Most of the ER ending verbs follow this pattern of making participe passé, past participle. A few examples are given on the screen. Read them. Parler, P-A-R-L-E, acute accent. Jouer, J-O-U-E-R, J-O-U-E, acute accent. Entrer, E-N-T-R-E-R, E-N-T-R-E, acute accent. Arriver, to arrive, A-R-R-I-V-E-R becomes A-R-R-I-V-E acute accent. To stay, rester. Rester becomes R-E-S-T-E acute accent. Tomber, T-O-M-B-E acute accent. To fall, fallen. Monter, M-O-N-T-E-R, M-O-N-T-E acute accent. Chanter, to sing. C-H-A-N-T-E acute accent. Sung. Couper, to cut. C-O-U-P-E, cut. That's a past participle. Danser, D-A-N-S-E acute accent. Danced. Oublier, to forget. Oublier. O-U-B-L-I-E acute accent, forgotten. Gagner, to win. Gagner, G-A-G-N-E acute accent. To win, won. I have won the game. So the construction of the making of past participle of ER group of verbs, it's quite simple. Take out the last or and add acute accent over the last E. It becomes the past participle. Aller, A-L-L-E-R, aller means to go. So what will be the past participle? A-L-L-E acute accent, gone. Now, IR group of verbs, just take out the last or, it becomes the past participle. Example, choisir. Choisir. CHOIS I or. Take out the last or, choisi. This is the past participle. Choisir means to choose. Choisi means chosen. 5 examples of IR group of verbs are given. Read them. Batir, to build. BA, circumflex, TIR. Past participle, BA circumflex, TI, built. Obeir, to obey. OBE, acute accent, IR. Take out the R. OBE acute, I, obeyed. Grandir is to grow. Grandi is grown. Guérir is to cure. Guéri is cured. Punir, to punish. Puni, punished. To make the past participle of IR group of verbs, we take out the last I, the infinitive becomes the past participle. There may be exceptions that we learn in this class later. Now, third group of verbs, RE ending verbs. To be more precise, DRE ending verbs. Remove the last RE and add U, the infinitive becomes the past participle. Example, vendre, VENDRE, the last RE is taken out and U is added. Vendu, vendre, vendu. To sell, sold, past participle. I have sold my textbooks. Read the examples. Entendre, to hear. Entendu, heard. Perdre, to lose. Perdu, perdu, lost. Attendre, attendu, to wait for, waited for. Rendre, rendu. Répondre, répondu. Rendre, rendu. To give back, given back. Répondre, to reply. Répondu, replied. Past participle. So in the third group of verbs, RE or DRE ending verbs, remove the last RE and add U to frame the past participle. We have some verbs which do not follow these patterns of making past participle. A few are given. Avoir, to have. EU, EU is the past participle. Avoir eu, to have, had. Boire, bu, to drink, drunk. Conduire, conduit, to drive, driven. Connaître, connu, to know, known. Croire, croire, to believe, cru, believed. Devoir, have to, ought to. Due, du, circumflex accent, had to, dire, to say or to tell. Past participle is the. DIRE is the infinitive. DIT is the past participle. Dire, the. Écrire, écrit. To write, written. Être, était. To be, been. Faire, to do. Fait, done. lire, to read, lu, read, math, to put, me, put, offrir, to offer, offert, offert, offered, ouvrir, ouverte, ouvrir, ouvert, to open, opened, prendre, to take, pris, taken, pleuvoir, plu, to rain, rained, pouvoir, to be able to, pew, being able to, recevoir, to receive, reçu, R-E-C-U, reçu, received, savoir, to know, su, known, voir, to see, view, seen, vouloir, to want or to wish, voulu, wanted or wished. These are all a few exceptions in the making of past participle. With this knowledge of past participles, knowledge of making of past participle, we'll go to the construction of passé composé now. What is passé composé? It's one of the many past tenses we have in French. It's very often used to indicate simple past tense, present perfect tense, and emphatic past tense in English. Simple past tense, I spoke. Present perfect tense, I have spoken. Emphatic past tense, I did speak. So, this passé composé we are going to use to convey a sentence in simple past tense, present perfect tense, and emphatic past tense. So, every passé composé, every sentence of passé composé will have three equivalent translations in English language. I spoke, I have spoken, I did speak. The construction of passé composé is conjugation of avoir or être in present tense and add the past participle of the verb, the main verb to be conjugated. Now we know the conjugation of avoir or être in present tense, and we know the past participles also, the construction of the past participles also. So now we'll go directly into the construction of passé composé. Why avoir or être in present tense? Because a few verbs, pronominal verbs and intransitive verbs that are very few in number, these verbs make use of être in the place of avoir in the construction of passé composé. We'll go in detail with these constructions in this class. It's written on the screen. Passé composé is equal to present tense of avoir plus past participle of the main verb. What's the main verb here? Parler. Parler. P-A-R-L-E-R, to speak. What's the past participle? P-A-R-L-E, acute accent, spoken. We conjugate parler into passé composé now. We know the past participle of parler, P-A-R-L-E, acute accent. We know the conjugation of avoir that we write first. What's written on the screen? J'ai, tu as, il a, Allah, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. As per the direction given, we have written the present tense of avoir. What's the translation? J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. I have, you have, he has, she has. We have, you have, they have. Now, with this, simply add the past participle of parler. P-A-R-L-E, acute accent. Spoken. Now, the sentence has become I have spoken. J'ai parlé, I have spoken. Tu as parlé, you have spoken. Il a parlé, he has spoken. Elle a parlé, she has spoken. Nous avons parlé, we have spoken. Vous avez parlé, you have spoken. Ils ont parlé, they have spoken. Elles ont parlé, they have spoken. This is the passé composé, conjugation of passé composé of the verb parler. Every sentence of passé composé in French has 3 equivalent translations in English depending upon the context. J'ai parlé, I have spoken, I spoke, I did speak. Tu as parlé, you have spoken, you spoke, you did speak. Il, elle a parlé, he or she has spoken, he or she spoke, he or she did speak. Nous avons parlé, we have spoken, we spoke, we did speak. Vous avez parlé, you have spoken, you spoke, you did speak. Ils ont, elles ont parlé, they have spoken, they spoke, or they did speak. This one is the passé composé of the verb parler in affirmative form. In a compound tense like passé composé, in the conjugation we will come across 2 verbs. One is the avoir or être, the auxiliary verbs which are conjugated, and the past participle of the main verb. Like this, you will have 2 verbs, avoir or être, and the second one is the past participle of the main verb. In the construction of negation or interrogation, only the auxiliary verb avoir or être is given importance. The past participle of the verb is not included in the construction. While making negations, ne is added after the subject as usual, and pas is added after avoir or être. Remember, pas, P-A-S, is not added after the past participle. Pas is added after the auxiliary verb avoir or être. So, in the making of negation, ne is added after the subject. Pas is added after être or avoir. Here, in this case, after avoir. So, we get the construction like this. Je n'ai pas parlé. I have not spoken, or I did not speak. Tu n'as pas parlé. Pas is added after avoir, not after parler. Please note, you have not spoken, you did not speak. Il, elle n'a pas parlé. He or she has not spoken. He or she did not speak. Nous n'avons pas parlé. We have not spoken. Vous n'avez pas parlé. You have not spoken. Or you did not speak. Ils n'ont pas parlé. Elles n'ont pas parlé. They have not spoken or they did not speak. This is the construction of passé composé in negative form. Now the interrogative form. Making a question. We know how to make inversion method. The subject and the subject pronoun and the verb that is conjugated or inversed. That is, the subject is written after the conjugated verb. What's the conjugated verb here? Avoir. So I write je after the conjugation of avoir, ai. Have I spoken? Or did I speak? As-tu parlé? Have you spoken? Did you speak? A-t-il parlé? Has he spoken? Did he speak? A-t-elle parlé? Has she spoken? Did she speak? Avons-nous parlé? Have we spoken? Did we speak? Avez-vous parlé? Have you spoken? Did you speak? Ont-ils or ont-elles parlé? Have they spoken? Please note that we write the subject after the auxiliary verb avoir. This is the conjugation of passé composé in interrogative form. This is how most of the verbs in French language are conjugated in a compound tense called passé composé. Most of the verbs make use of avoir in the construction of passé composé, except a few intransitive verbs. These intransitive verbs make use of être in the place of avoir in the making of passé composé. What are intransitive verbs? Verbs that cannot have, that will not have any direct object are called intransitive verbs. For example, aller, to go. How do you find out the direct object? Ask the question whom or what after the verb. If I ask the question whom or what after the verb aller, to go, it will be meaningless. I go to the school, for example. I go whom? I go what? We will not have any answer. And verbs like aller, venir. Look at the column, right hand side column. Aller, venir. To go, to come. Entrer, sortir. To enter, to go out. Arriver, partir. Arriver, partir. To arrive, to set out. Rester, tomber. To stay, to fall. Monter, descendre. To go up or to climb. To come down. Naître, mourir. To be born, to die. Rentrer, retourner. To return, revenir, devenir, to come again, to become. Devenir is to become. These verbs will not have any direct object. These verbs are said to be intransitive verbs and These verbs make use of at in the place of over in the making of passé composé. We conjugate alle into passé composé here. Alle, A-L-L-E-R, to go. A-L-L-E, acute accent, is a past participle, gone. Now, look at the conjugation. Je suis allé. I am gone is wrong. I have gone. This is how you should translate. Je suis allé. I have gone. But when you make the passé composé with the help of être, the past participle must agree with the gender and number of the subject. If je, the speaker, is masculine singular, then A-L-L-E, acute accent. Suppose je happens to be feminine singular, the past participle must be A-L-L-E, acute accent. One more E is added. This alle agrees with the gender and number of the subject. Tu es allé. A-L-L-E, acute accent, and A-L-L-E, acute accent, one more E. Il est allé. He has gone. Elle est allée. She has gone. The subject she is feminine singular. So A-L-L-E, acute accent. One more E. Nous sommes allés. A-L-L-E, acute accent, yes or es. Vous êtes allés. A-L-L-E, acute accent, yes or A-L-L-E, acute accent, es. Ils sont allés. A-L-L-E, acute accent, yes. ILS is masculine plural. ELLES, elles sont allées. ALLE, acute accent, ES. ELLES is feminine plural. So this is the difference you make in the past participle in the construction of passé composé with the help of être instead of avoir. The past participle agrees with the gender and number of the subject. This is the affirmative form, and negative form, as usual, no is added after the subject, pa is added after the auxiliary verb être, not after the past participle. Please bear in mind, je ne suis pas. Then only you write aller. I did not go, or I have not gone. And interrogative form also, we make the inversion of the subject and the auxiliary verb. So it becomes suis-je allé? Have I gone? Or did I go? This is how passé composé is constructed for intransitive verb with the help of être. Pronominal verbs, se verbs, se verbs also go for être in the construction of passé composé. These reflexive pronouns moto so, nous so are written before the auxiliary verb être. It becomes je me suis lavé. Tu t'es lavé. Il s'est lavé. Elle s'est lavée. Nous nous sommes lavés. Vous vous êtes lavés. Ils se sont lavés. Elles se sont lavées. Beware, whenever you make passé composé with the help of être, the past participle must agree with the gender and number of the subject. Look, the past participle is made agreement, E or S or ES. Wherever necessary is added. Never miss to note that. This one is affirmative form. Je me suis lavé. The meaning, the translation, I washed myself, or I have washed myself, or I did wash myself. Negative, ne is added after the subject je. So je ne, pas is added after the auxiliary verb suis, être. Je ne me suis pas lavé. I did not wash myself, or I have not washed myself. Now, what about interrogation? Make the interrogation with the subject and the auxiliary verb être. So, je comes after suis. It becomes me suis-je lavé. Me suis-je lavé. Did I wash myself, or have I washed myself? T'es-tu lavé? Say lavé. Like this, the conjugation goes on. This is how a pronominal verb is made into passé composé. It's conjugated into passé composé. We have 10 sentences to be read and understood. Number 1, hier. Hier means yesterday. J'ai fini. J'ai fini. I have finished, or I finished. Lesson 22. Tu as lu. A lu. Tu as lu. You have read, or you read this lesson. Il a donné. He has given, or he gave the book to his friend. Number 4, elle a vu. She has seen the pictures, or she saw the pictures. Hier, nous sommes allés à l'école. Yesterday, nous sommes allés. We went to the school. Ce matin, this morning, Mala s'est lavée. Mala s'est lavée. Washed herself. Puis, then, number 7. Puis, then, elle s'est habillée. She dressed herself, or dressed up. Vous êtes amusé. You enjoyed, or you made fun. Elles sont rentrées à midi. Sont rentrées. Have returned at noon. They have returned at noon. Mes parents, my parents, sont venus. Have come, or aux heures, at 11 o'clock. Read these sentences again till the content, till the grammar point is very well understood. With this, we complete this lesson. You have some exercises to do. Conjugate into passé composé. Jouer in affirmative form, entrer in negative form, se fâcher in interrogative form. Go through this video class again. If you have any doubts in the conjugation, you may subscribe to this YouTube channel for the notifications of the latest lessons. I take leave. Thank you so much. Bye bye.